Yo, what's up guys? My name is Maniac and I'm back with another video and I'm a legend. It doesn't say, it's mirrored on the camera, but here's his legend. And I got the hiccups. It's so annoying. Yesterday I got this game called Turmoil. I don't know if you've seen it before, but it's so fun. Yeah, you have to get oil. No, wait. Where is your oil? Okay, well, you get there. I just did parkrun. Like, if any of you know what parkrun is, well, I did it. It's like you run 5Ks. Sometimes some of the parkruns are like you just run around a park, but this one it's really cool because like you just run up some hills and down some hills, and it's really fun. And I'm going to show you my results. First place is this guy. He is just, how did he do that? He did it in 19 minutes and 40 seconds. He's the first. And there I am. I came 60 seconds. 36 minutes and 58 seconds. My best is it says on here 34 minutes and 44 seconds. That's my best. I didn't do too well on this one. So my feet and legs are really sore and I'm tired. And yeah. I had to get up at 7:30 this morning for the parkrun because daylight saving, and it starts at 8 o'clock instead of 9. And yesterday I woke up at 10 o'clock. So it's a big change. But tomorrow morning I'll wake up normal time. Yeah. I need to get rid of these stupid hiccups. What was that noise that I just made? Eat. Chickens, do you want out? Do you want out, Smarty? Was that a no? Was that a no? Okay. Nah, I'm just joking. Get out. Be free. I am making the weirdest noises ever with the hiccups. Like, oh my gosh, if you guys can see that, Smarty's butt, like, it's got poop all over it. Look. There. It's crazy. Chickens, come over here. I command you to come over here. Or not. That's fine as well. Hiccups are so annoying. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye!